Hello friends, today I am going to learn how to create a GitHub repository. So first I go on GitHub. So if you don't have an account, so you can create GitHub accounts. So I have already GitHub accounts, so I will go there. Look like a yeah. Right here the GitHub and log in your so I have already the GitHub account, so I can create a GitHub, so I don't need to log in something. Now I am going to here, this one is the art programming my account. So let's see, I am going to here. Otherwise you have alternative way, you can go the right side of this corner. So look here, you will see so you can see here. Otherwise okay. So because I am creating a new repository, so you can create so many repositories, doesn't matter. But so I think otherwise you have the alternative way, you can go the plus sign and click here. Here you can create a new repository. Look here. Otherwise import a repository, new guilds, new organizations. So if you want to create a new repository, so click here. And because I have already done so many projects, and you can go here. So I think it is possible to, maybe the internet problem and something. So this one has been, and look here, I have created the repository. And second thing, look here, I have already created this one. So similarly you can also create the new repository, and you can make a number of projects. So look here, this one, and you can describe yourself also. Another, look here. Now it comes, and I want to create the some name, so you need to specify this type of the name here. So I am going to write here, my repository name will be code websites, right here. Look here, is it code website, code website. Is it available and not available? So look here, Yeah, code money website is right here. I think this is not available. MANI. Yeah, I think it maybe it is possible to available. So checking, you have all other names here. You can also refer the alternative name. So don't worry. So I think is it available and not available. Yeah. So it is possible to. So yeah, code website is available. Now you can write here the descriptions. So making a websites, writing a code, we write code right here. So we write code and something else. Next it is you must keep here the public, don't need a private because it is, must be the visible for the other persons also. And now add readme files, so you keep here add me read files. Next add dot git ignores means choose which file not to track from a list template. So you go here and you write here Python because otherwise R also. So I can write here R and need a license. So the a license tells the others what they can and can't do with your code. So you keep here the MIT. Yeah, MIT license. This is the better to people understand these things just here. So this is the way we can create a repository. Look here. So now our repository has been created. So this is the way to create any repository at GitHub. So my repository has been created. So look here, core website, and we write a code here. And now look here, git no license and readme. So this is the way to create a website. I think you can understand and how to create a GitHub. So I think it will be helpful for everyone. Thank you.